Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be making a turkey lasagna, so let's get started. So we're just going to season our meat up. We have some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, Italian season. We have some Sazon, ginger, turmeric. So we're going to use some Unity turkey sausage, and we're going to use some ground turkey, and we're going to add our onions and peppers and our sauce. Boil your noodles as directed. Don't boil them too long because they're going to cook in the oven. The peppers and onions are optional. That's if you like them. Put you some fresh garlic in there. Add fresh oregano and basil. Add the sauce. Mix and cook your sauce. We're gonna mix our ricotta cheese up and season it. We'll put some garlic powder, Italian season. Add your beaten eggs and some Parmesan cheese. Let's mix everything together. You want to spread the tomato sauce all over the bottom of the pan so your noodles won't stick. Make sure it's spread all the way around. Now add your noodles. Then your cheese. Spread it all the way around. Add your meat sauce. Now you want to add some mozzarella cheese, some cheddar cheese, some Gouda cheese. Now you want to add your second layer of noodles. Now you want to repeat. You want to add the ricotta cheese, the meat sauce, the mozzarella, the Gouda, the cheddar. Then top it off with the top layer of noodles. Then add some sauce and more cheese and more cheese. You want to sprinkle a little bit of Italian season on top, and you want to cover it up and bake for 40 minutes.